Ever heard of a shadowy figure lurking in the deep, a creature of myth and legend with tentacles that could crush a ship whole? That's the Kraken, a monstrous cephalopod that has captured imaginations for centuries. Sailors whispered about its wrath, and artists depicted it in terrifying detail. But is the Kraken just a bedtime story, or is there something more to it? Well, buckle up me hearties, because today we're diving deep, not just into the ocean depths, but also into the world of finance. That's right, we're taking a sharp turn and going from mythical beast to the very real world of cryptocurrency. You see, there's a little something out there called Kraken, but it's not a monstrous cephalopod, it's a cryptocurrency exchange. Intrigued? You should be. Cryptocurrencies are all the rage these days, a new kind of digital money that's captured the attention of investors and financiers around the world. And with this new frontier comes a need for places to trade these digital assets. That's where cryptocurrency exchanges come in, acting as marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. And Kraken, well, Kraken is one of the biggest names in the game. But with all this talk of digital gold and online treasure troves, one question pops up: where exactly is Kraken registered? Is it some hidden island haven for crypto buccaneers? Hold your horses. No buried treasure here. Kraken is a legitimate company, and just like any other financial institution, it needs to play by the rules. So, where is this digital Kraken officially calling home? That, mateys, is what we're about to find out. So, grab a virtual life vest and let's set sail. First things first, we need to understand that cryptocurrency exchanges are a relatively new phenomenon. There aren't exactly ancient laws etched in stone on how they should be structured and regulated. This means the landscape can be a bit of a wild west, with different countries taking different approaches. Some countries have embraced cryptocurrencies, welcoming them with open arms and setting up clear regulations. Others are a bit more cautious, taking a wait-and-see approach. And then there are those who are downright wary, implementing strict rules or even outright bans. So, for a company like Kraken, finding the right home base is crucial. They need a place that's friendly to cryptocurrencies, with regulations that are clear and fair. They also need a stable and secure environment, a place where they can operate with confidence. So, where did Kraken find this crypto-friendly El Dorado? Well, the answer might surprise you. Kraken is actually registered in the United States. Yes, the country that might have its reservations about cryptocurrencies overall has provided a home for one of the biggest exchanges in the world. But here's the twist: Kraken isn't registered just anywhere in the U.S. They set up shop in Wyoming, a state known for its cowboy spirit and, perhaps more importantly for our purposes, its progressive stance on cryptocurrencies. Wyoming has been at the forefront of creating a legal framework for cryptocurrencies. They've passed laws that are specific to digital assets, providing much-needed clarity and certainty for companies like Kraken. This makes Wyoming an attractive destination for crypto businesses, and Kraken has taken full advantage. Of course, there's more to the story than just Wyoming's friendly regulations. Kraken also has a presence in other countries around the world. They have offices in Canada, Japan, and Singapore, to name a few. This allows them to cater to a global audience and navigate the complexities of international regulations. But when it comes to the official registration, the place where Kraken calls home, that's Wyoming, USA. It might not be the hidden island paradise you envisioned, but it's a place that provides the stability and legal framework this digital Kraken needs to thrive. So, there you have it. The mystery of the Kraken's registration is solved. It's not some mythical creature from the deep, but a very real company playing a major role in the world of cryptocurrency. And while they might not have a treasure chest overflowing with digital gold, they've certainly found a safe harbor to navigate the exciting, and sometimes treacherous, waters of the crypto market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of finance.